String types are probably the most often used types because of the versatility of what they can hold. Here are the few of the most basic string types. First, we have the char type. This contains a specific number of characters. If you store something short of the specified number of characters, which is specified by m, then the rest of the string is padded in the database with spaces. These spaces are then removed when that string is retrieved. You can specify a length from 1 to a maximum of 255 characters. The next data type is the varchar. This stores a variable number of characters. The range of the number of characters actually depends on the version of MySQL you're running, but for compatibility you should consider the range to be from 1 to 255. The difference between the char and the varchar is that if you specify 255 characters in the varchar and then store only 10 characters, only 10 characters of data will be stored. As opposed to the char, if you specify 255 and you store 10 characters, the balance of that string will be padded up to 255 characters. Realistically, you should only use the char field if you know that each value is going to be exactly that length you specify, for example a 1 or a 2 character field. Otherwise, you should probably use the varchar type. It's going to be more memory effective. Next, we have the text field. The text field has a max length of 65,525 characters. A medium text has a max length of over 16 million characters. And finally, our long text field that has a max length of approximately 4 gigabytes of characters. You should never realistically need more than a text field here. Finally, there's two more specific string types you should know. There's the enum field, which is a string field that can contain only one of the specified values that are passed through as arguments. When you create this column, you actually specify the values it may contain, up to a maximum of over 65,000 different possible values. And finally, the set data type. This is similar to the enum, except that it can contain 0 or more of the specified values that were passed as arguments. You specify the values that it may contain up to a maximum of 64 members. That covers all of the most commonly used data types in MySQL. Next, I'll put it all together in a create table example.